Welcome. We still explain the Formula tab, and today we will speak about AutoSum and Auto for other formula. If you go to Formula here and press this tab, and you need to make sum for this. We speak about we can you make equal sign and write sum formula, and after this click and drag the cell you need to make sum for it. Okay, it's 170. Okay, 17. Okay, delete. The other thing we speak today, and this help you to match, you go to formula and make AutoSum, select, yeah, he will give you the same thing without write the equation. Okay, if you need to put this AutoSum, and sometimes you don't need to make all of this cell, you can cell by use what you need, okay, and cancel the cell you need, it comes. Okay, you can put delete here, and the same thing you can make for this one, AutoSum. He give you highlight what he will sum and click enter, he will give you this. You can delete this and select all of this and direct you make this, make sum, he will give you the sum for everything. Okay, you can delete this, and if you select all this and this column and this row, he will make automatic sum for every row and every column. Okay, like this. Okay, but AutoSum not only for sum. You can come here and put this button, you will say the average, auto average, and the auto maximum and the auto minimum. If you click to auto average, he will give you the same thing we speak about before, highlight the all cell before it, and you can make edit by select what you need and enter. Okay, the same thing you can make, highlight all thing and make auto maximum, he will give you the maximum for this column, for this row, and the maximum for this column. Okay, and there are other two things you have here, average or maximum or minimum, and more function you can select from here. Okay, this everything about AutoSum. This is the name, but not AutoSum only. You can use the auto for other function without write it, and this easy way to get your function. Okay, thank you.